Ingenuity Services e-learning foundation Excel video, and today I have stumbled upon on a particular data where I saw how to do concatenate using Power Query. So it was interesting actually, and I never know that I can do something like this, and it was very nice. Now I have a situation like this. Normally, what we do is in an Excel sheet we try to do a concatenate or a text join functionality to combine the data into one. That is taking a little longer time, and then if the data is very larger, then it's going to take a lot more time than normal. So now I have 2,842 line items of data. So how I'm going to do that in a Power Query feature, I'm going to show you that. So let's see how to do that. So I'm going to just select the whole data here. I'm going to add this data to the data. So how do I add this to a Power Query editor right now? The first point is I need to convert this into a table. So normally what I do is I'll go to data and then I'll try to from table in a range, I'll click that. So when I do that, it automatically converts this data range into a table for me. And then automatically takes, once the data is converted into a table, it's going to take the data completely into the list here. And in Power Query Editor, it's going to be a fun point for me. So now I'm going to select the whole data from the first column to the last column. So it is not an Excel. So when you are selecting a Power Query, so use the first column and then click the Shift button and click the last column header alone. Then select the whole list, give a right click here, and then merge the column here. When you merge the column, it'll ask you a question, or you want to use separator here. I'm going to just add a space in between each and every data. And then if you want to name them, you can name them here. I'm going to call this as names or full name. So I have a name, first name, second name, last name, everything. So when I just add it and give an OK, boom. So I got all my list here, and I can just close and load to. And then I'm going to put them in the existing data somewhere over here, and then add it. So now it's going to add all my date, all the names here completely, from top to bottom. So you can see all my names are added here in a flash. I'm not using any Excel formulas here. Instead, I use Power Query right click option to merge multiple column of data. Hope you guys have learned something new, and I have learned something new today. So I immediately made a video out of it. Thank you so much. Catch you soon with a few more videos which is interesting.